Welcome to my channel. Again, today I'm going to teach you how to find products that you can sell on Walmart. So, using SourceDart, okay? So this is gonna be like a series. I'm going to share to you how to use SourceDart and how it will help you to find good deals or products that you can sell on Walmart. So right now you can see here I'm in Amazon where you can find products here that you can flip or resell that on Walmart. So for example, let's go here in today's deal. Okay, so it depends to you what niche or what products that you going to sell on Walmart. So for example, um, okay, okay, let's see here. Okay, so for example, let's try this Yankee. Okay, so again, I'm here in the top deals. Okay, so for example, you want to sell also the JBL like that. So right now they are selling this for 29.95. Let's try if we can find this on Walmart and how much they are selling this. So copy the title and then go in Walmart and then search it here. Okay, so automatic I have here SourceDart, right? So automatic SourceDart will tell you or you know um, show you the details about this product. Okay, so for example here you can see automatic SourceDart will tell you Go 3 portable mini Bluetooth. Okay, so total profit is 3.45. Okay, let me see here. So actually, I think this is the one that we are looking for. This one, it's $40. Okay. Okay, so for example, like this is black. Okay, so this is black and they're selling this for 40.68. So if we're going to buy this in on Amazon, 29.95. So we can add the cost 29.95 and how much they're selling this 40.68. And then you can see here the profit that you can get is $4.02. Okay, so you can see here the ROI is 13.42. So, and then if you're going to, automatic, it called calculated already how much the fees if you're going to do WFS for this. Okay, and then the product analysis, if you can see, so they have a total of verified review 703, and then you can see here, uh, which you know month they get a high review. Okay, so and then here, okay, here if you can see historical seller count, so how many sellers are there selling. Okay, if you can see here all, you can see here the highest offers last May, and the price trend, how much the highest price, you can see here they are selling this for 47, and then the lowest is, let's see, like 29.95. But right now, because it's going to have um, a season like Thanksgiving, Christmas, so it started to go higher now. Okay. And then if you can see here also sellers insight, we can see here who's the one who getting all the buyback. So like this one, this is Walmart. Walmart only gets 31%. So meaning other sellers are getting the sales also. So I can say that this is a good product to sell. Even you can buy and you can see here the estimated sales per month is 166. Okay, so we get already one product that we can sell, and then the BSR, you can see this is less than 100. So the lower the BSR, the better. Okay, and then right now there are 7 sellers that they are sharing or selling this product. Okay, let's get uh, look for more like this one, Yankee candle. So right now this gonna be one of the good, item that we can sell because it's gonna be Thanksgiving. People are gathering and having a good time. So okay, let's see here. What's the details of this? 22 ounce. Okay, so 22 ounce large jar. So let's go with that. So I think this one 22. Okay, 22 ounce. So they are selling this for $21.48. So how much they're selling in on Amazon? 14.99. Okay, let's see if this is a good product that we can sell. So the cost price of this is 14.99. All right, so like this one, if you can see here, so the BSR is good also, less than 100. The seller count is 2. And then the estimated sales is 29.32 per month. So you can see here a lot of orders or a lot of sales per month, but the thing is that the profit is negative 2.32. Okay, let's see why. So this is WFS, and you can see all the cost or the fees that Walmart is taking. So let's see here also in product analysis. So verified reviews 807, and then if you can see here, the reviews last August and September are more the highest. Okay, and then sellers, let's see how many sellers are this selling. Okay, 2 only. And let's see here the pricing trends, how much. So this is a fixed or consistent 21.48. Okay, so why do you think why it's like that, the data? So because if you can see here, Walmart is the one who's getting all the sales. Okay, and then let's see in a year. Okay, all are Walmart. So meaning, this one, this is not a good product to sell because it's always gonna be Walmart is the one who are going to sell this product. So this one, we will not get this. Okay, so let's try. How about if we are looking for, bundles on Walmart and then resell it on Walmart. Okay, so like this one, the bundles. What else? Okay. Mm, okay, so maybe this one. So, let's see. Mm, okay, probably this one mix. And then we can retail this, or what else? Okay, let's look for more. Oh, okay. Actually, this one, we can try this one too. Okay. Okay, so like this one, we can try this also. Okay, we can try this too also. All right, so let's see. So this one, Cottonelle Fresh Peel. So we will not put everything, you know, um, so only this one. And then the 336 total wipes, okay? So let's try this one. Okay. Okay, 336. Okay, this one. So they are selling this total wipes. Okay, so 42, let's just say this one, 42. So again, we will try to like retail this. Okay, not the same bundle of like this. Okay, so for example, mm, okay, so for example, this is 84. Let's see how much is this. So this is 42. Okay, so probably we can do this. Ultra fresh, ultra fresh. Is that ultra fresh? So okay, so this is a regular. Okay, mm, okay, so probably we can do this. Um, so one also that we can do is, um, like this one. You can see they are adding a shipping fee here. So meaning automatic, this is other sellers. Okay. Ultra fresh. So maybe we can find, coconut instead of like this. We will look for uh okay, ultra fresh. This one. Okay. So for example, like this one, so like this one, this is 42, pack of 4, pack of 8. Okay. Um, okay, where is it? Uh, okay, what happened there? Okay, let me see. Again, this is the one that I need, ultra fresh. Or we are looking at the same. Okay. So probably that is the same, the same product, okay? So for example, like this one, so like what I said, I'm looking for um like a like a retail. So for example, like this, I'm going to buy this for 336. So I will not sell this as this pack. So I will retail that. Okay, so 336. So I found this one, 168. So that will be how many? So 168 at 330. Let me see. Okay, 336. Okay, 336 divided by 2, that will be 168. Okay, so 168. Okay, so this will be pack of 4. Okay, so okay, let me see. So this one, 168. So this here, uh okay, this one is 336. So I will buy this and then divided into two because we're going to retail this. So instead of pack of 8, we're going to sell this on Walmart as a pack of 4. Okay, so like this one. Okay, so okay. So this one only 733. Okay, 733, and then uh so that will be 1579 divided by 2. So our expenses will be okay. How much? 1579.79 divided by 2. So our cost of good for this is 7.9. Okay, 7.9. So we will add that. Okay, 7.9. Okay, so let's see here if we're going to have a Okay, so if we're going to have a um you know if we're going to have a profit with this. Okay, so for example like this, so negative $6. Okay, if WFS, so this is 9,000 sales. Okay, so let's see why it's like that. Product analysis, so reviews, sales, and then the sellers for, okay, how many sellers? 9, 10, so a lot. Okay, so the highest price is 733. So, 777. So, let's see who are the one who's getting the buybacks. Okay, it's always Walmart. Okay. Okay, so like this one, we cannot, we cannot compete with Walmart here. Although in a year, you can see 97% only, but still, this gonna be a hard, a hard product, to compete with Walmart. But I can see here, there's like a four four pack of this. Okay, so meaning we're going to buy, you know, to this. Okay, so this is like a two pack already for here plus two, so that will be 1579 times 2. Let's see, 15.79 times 2, so that will be a total of 4 pack of one 168. Yeah, so 3158. Okay, 3158. So let's see how much is that. Again, how much? 31.6. 31.6. So 31.6. Okay, so it's still not good say product to sell. Okay, so I hope you guys, right now we're already like 17 minutes. So, let's see, let's try other, products. So for example, like this also, you can, you can buy something like this that you can resell. So for example, I don't know, so for example, like this, uh, this is 1 ounce. So so Doritos, let's see, I think this 1 ounce also, 28. Yeah, 1 ounce. So Doritos Cool Ranch, let's see. Uh, Doritos uh, Ranch, 1 ounce. Okay. Okay, so for example, like this, if you can see here, so they are selling this for 60 cents, but there's a shipping fee. So meaning this one, other sellers are selling this because they are charging, like this one, marketplace, 2.96 the shipping cost. Okay, so that's what I'm saying, you can buy a pack of this and then you can resell this as a retail. Okay, let's see also other. Mm, so like this one, you can see here. Um, okay, so this is like a bundle. Okay, let's see other. So for example, like this, 92 ounce. Okay, so this looks like a good, product. You can see here. Uh, so here you can find something like this. Okay. Okay, so party size, is this a party size? Uh, so this is 15 points. So this one, 9.25. Okay. So this is 9.25 ounce. The same. Okay, the same. This is 9.25, and they make it as a pack of six. So if we're gonna buy this for six, so $1.94. Okay, so $1.94 times six. Okay, so that will be 11.64 the cost. Okay, 11.64. Okay. All right. So like this. So like this one, we can compete with this, without the shipping costs, and then we still can price this as $26 with free shipping, and then fulfilled by Walmart. And you can see here we have a good profit already. The only thing is this is sales is 5 only per month. Okay, so it's up to you. You can see here the BSR is high, lower than 5,000, so a little, slow. Okay, especially if this is food, it's gonna be should be like 3 months, you know, before the expiration if you're gonna do the WFS. Okay, so product analysis, let's see, all time, all year. Okay, uh, insights. Okay, so perfect fix. So meaning this is really not a Walmart is the one who sell it. So yeah, so like this. Okay, the seller is the one who's, so only two are competing with this product or listing. Okay, and then what else? Yeah, so this gonna be one of a good, if you find like a good, you know products like this gonna be a good, also that to compete, and you will only like, you can compete with this price, without the shipping costs. Okay, so I hope this video helps you how SourceDart can help you to find deals from Amazon to Walmart. Okay, thank you again for watching, and God bless.